Here's how to finish raw edges using your sewing machine and a zigzag stitch. My name is Vitana, I'm a sewing teacher and costume maker. Bookmark this so you can come back to it later. So after you've sewn the seam and pressed it open, before you stitch on anything else, now's the time to finish it. So change your sewing machine setting to the zigzag stitch, which on this machine is a C. See here, C. And then the stitch width, I'm going to make it as wide as possible, which is 5. And the stitch length, I'm going to reduce that down to 2. And the other change I'm going to do is reduce the tension just a little bit, down by 1 number. Then I'm going to just take that one layer, and this is why it's easier to do before you've stitched it onto anything else. And I'm going to line up the edge of the fabric to the edge of that hole. So if I show you, this is the hole, so I'm going to line up the edge of the fabric to the edge of that hole. And it might be easier to do that if you struggle to sew straight, is use a bit of washi tape and mark it where that line should be. That's not very straight. Let me try that again. So not over the dog teeth, in front of the dog teeth, because otherwise you'll interfere with the mechanism of moving the fabric forward. So drop the presser foot and then just stitch. And now what you're doing is making sure you're keeping an eye on the edge of the fabric, that it's following the edge of the tape. Don't watch the needle. And you keep going, just make sure that you're not catching the fabric that you don't want sewn. Now you'll also notice that the stitch is kind of scrunching up the fabric, and that is okay, because look at that nice finish. That's what it looks like. You can do that to both sides, and then you have a nice finished edge. It's not going to fray when you wash it. Hope that helps. Like and follow for more tips like this.